After removing the two 10mm bolts, all you do is pull on the lens straight out from the tailgate. From here, you unplug your light bulbs. And set them aside. Sometimes when you're removing the taillight, there's this black piece that belongs in this slot that'll remain in the light. All you do is pop this off, and place it on the new light. When reinstalling the lights, you simply pull the bulb off of the connector like this. From here, you match the white light or the white wire with the black wire, and you simply plug it in. And you do the same for the top. You take your reverse light, insert it in the light housing, you lock this into its respective housing. You lock the sockets back into place. After everything is secure, from here, you line these two posts with the holes and you push the light into place. You then take your two 10mm bolts and replace them. Alright, that's it. This is how the lights look when they're off. And the running lights are on. With the brake lights on. And with the emergency lights on. That's it.